had an overnight layover in Doha and wanted to see as much as we could during our short time here. Javid was our guide for an evening tour and it was just lovely. He's a very nice man who shared a lot about the unique culture and architecture of this city, and generously answered our many questions. The boat ride was a wonderful way to see the skyline. Highly recommend this tour. Incredible. So lucky to be able to do this tour of Doha with Javid. He took us to the most beautiful places in the city, including Katara, the Pearl, and Souq Waqif, while also taking the most amazing pictures and videos of us. The boat ride was also lovely with an idealistic view of the city. Can't recommend this tour enough. Wow, what an incredible experience with an outstanding guide Jarvid. We saw the beautiful sights around Doha and Javid provided the special details of each stop along our journey. I highly recommend this excursion and I would certainly be happy doing another tour with Javid. Night City Tour not to be missed. This was a fabulous tour and our guide Javid was very courteous and knowledgeable. I especially enjoyed a guided walk through Souq Waqif. Seeing the city lights from the water was very memorable. Thanks Javid for a memorable tour. The tour offered an excellent overview of Doha and its growth over the last 25 to 30 years and Qatar's change from a rural pearl diving culture to a modern LPG exporter. Junaid was a fount of information and made the journey both educational and entertaining. Bilal took us on a beautiful and informative tour of the city. A comfortable ride, great photo stops, loved the boat ride and visit to the markets. A relaxed and comfortable way to see the highlights of Doha. Thanks Bilal for the wonderful tour. It was a super experience and the multi-talented Javid and his excellent photography made this experience next level. The boat ride was the most amazing experience of this tour with the visual display a spectacle to watch and cherish. Our tour guide Junaid took us around Doha's different attractions as detailed on the tour itinerary. We both really enjoyed the tour and recommended others to get a long quick view of Doha has to offer. We booked the tour and we're very happy and enjoying the tour. Our tour guide took some incredible pictures at night and took us all around town. Relaxing tour in the cool winter night. Memorable afternoon with Javid. His local knowledge and commentary was fantastic. He is a natural taking photos and video also. Recommend this half-day tour including the authentic meal. The tour was great. Our guide Bilal Hussein was amazing. My kids really enjoyed the tour, and our guide was very accommodating to our family and super nice and respectful. This tour is amazing and Junaid is very knowledgeable. You see a lot of different things and the best part of the tour was the boat ride. I can highly recommend this tour. Javid was very helpful and knowledgeable, was a great experience, would definitely recommend him to anyone, hopefully will be coming back with family very soon.